Welcome to the tutorial on how to invest in a strategy on Mizar. First of all, head on over to Mizar and log into your account. Now let's take a look for a strategy to invest in. Head on over to Marketplace and Strategies. In the Marketplace, you'll see two styles of bots. You'll see DCA bots, which is the standard, buy as the price goes lower, usually to fixed coefficients or even to the service provider's signals. And then you have API bots, which operate more organically based on the actual market and are 100% based on the signal provider's signals. Before investing in a strategy, ensure to connect an exchange which is supported by the strategy where you want to invest first, and ensure you have enough balance in your M-Wallet. Review the strategies and choose your favorite and hit Invest. This is where you can select which exchange you wish to use. You have two ways of how you can choose to invest, the standard way or via the advanced mode. The standardized way will be the amount of capital that you want to commit to this strategy. In the investment overview, you have some guidance that you can follow. The maximum investment is the amount of capital that the bot can use based on your expected investment that you have entered. The expected investment here will give you a better idea of how much the bot will realistically be using, and it could be a good guidance of how much capital you can use for your expected investment here. In order to find out more about how this is calculated, simply head here into How is my expected and maximum investment calculated, which gives you a full description of how that's worked out. Additionally, you can also choose to reinvest your profits, which is compounding, and also see a more finer details on your DCA structure. Should you wish to look at a more advanced method, then select Advanced Mode. Here, you can actually choose your exact base order size and also the number of deals you wish to place at any one time. When you are happy with this, simply hit Next. It'll give you a quick overview of your investment from the expected amount to the maximum amount, your available funds, the exchange that you're going to be using, as well as your wallet balance and the performance fee, which will go back to the service provider, and finally an acknowledgement of bot trading and all risks associated with it. When happy with that, select and hit Invest. From here, you can head to the performance screen where you can see all of your newly active strategies. There you have it. It could not be easier to invest in a successful automated strategy.